Hi, we're going to talk about homework. Each week I send home a weekly newsletter on Thursday, and attached to that is also the spelling list for the week and the vocabulary high frequency word list, which I'll show you in just a minute. But this is what the spelling list looks like. The spelling list can also be found in your child's planner, so taped in for the week. But you can see there are 9 words on the word list. And everybody takes the first 9 words. Everyone does those words. And then the next 3 are called a personal word. So you and your child are going to pick which one of those words you want to do. Usually the first one is a little bit easier, and then the next 2 I make just a little bit harder. So it's totally up to you. What works for you, what works for your family. And so I will leave that up to you which one you want to do. But they only have to do one of those. The next sheet, it's yellow. It gives you some different spelling strategies to use. Using magnets, shaving cream, sand and salt, doing some rainbow spelling where they write it in one color and then they do another color over it. So different activities that you can try. One of the other things that you can do is there's a website called Spelling City, and this is on my website. You can get to it. But you'll come to here and you can do a search, teacher parents, and then you type in Jennifer Robinson, search, and you can see there are many Jennifer Robinsons, but I am the one at Fieldstone Elementary, so you'll click on that. And then down here you'll see all of our spelling lists for each week and theme. So you click on theme 1, week 1. It has different activities to do, so they can take a spelling test, they can do a teach me, play a game. So if we click on play a game, there are different games that they can play under spelling. So they might do a word unscramble, word search, and it seems like the kids' favorite always is the hang mouse. Missing letter, test and teach. I've had parents who've had a lot of success with this. If your child doesn't want to practice their spelling words, this is just a really great fun way to change it up for them. In our family, we will have the kids do it each night 3 times each, and then maybe a couple days before the test, they'll do a practice test at home. Any words they get wrong, those are the only ones they have to practice. So that first time, they might have to practice it 5 times. Then the next night, they do another spelling test, and they may be down to like 1 or 2 words, and they have to do those 8 times. And by that point, you're getting down, and they're really getting to know those words. So that's worked well for us as a family. This is the vocabulary high frequency word list that we have. The first 3 words on the list are vocabulary words. The students need to know the word and the definition. So with cabin, they have to just know it's a small, simple house. We gave you these 2 so that you could play games with them. They can do a matching game. You say which one's a small, simple house, they have to pull out the word cabin. The next 5 are high-frequency words. These are words they just need to know by sight. We gave you doubles so you can play games like memory, matching, go fish with them. We have 160 of them for the year. They are tested on them throughout the year. And these are those words they see a lot when they're reading, and if they know these, it just helps them become a much better reader. Next we have our math home links, and so then you might see a math sheet come home. With this, the one thing I want you to notice is up in the corner there's a spot that has a little book that says MRB. That's for my reference book, and here it says page 87, and what you do is, this is the My Reference book. You go to page 87, and it can help you with whatever that home link is at the time. So this would be that page 87 that's on temperature, which is what you were doing. The other thing in the packet is your Unit 1 family letter. It's 4 pages. It will tell you what we're working on, what we're going to be working on for that unit. It'll give you vocabulary. It might give you different activities to do at home with your child. And on the back, this is the big thing to know, is that the answers to the home link are on the back. So if you're ever struggling with a problem or knowing what to do or what's going on with it, that's where you can always take a look and see. If you misplace this, something happens, these are on my website. So you can see these and find all of these on my website and print them off again. The other thing for your child will be the reading, and I'm going to skip ahead here with the math facts. So why you need to read at night. So I have the sheet about reading and how important it is. I ask that the students read approximately 100 minutes each week, should be the goal. You just need to record it at the bottom of the planner, how much they read each night. You might have a night where you get busy. That's totally okay. That happens, and then just make up for it the next night, or just add a little on each night during the week. So I just would ask that you keep recording it at the bottom of the planner so that I can kind of see for the week that they're getting to their 100 minutes. If you are having trouble at all getting your child to read, please let me know and we can talk about it at that point. Back to the math facts that were on here. What I'd like you to do now is go to my website and check out my math facts video that we will be using Rocket Math this year. Students are responsible for addition and subtraction in 2nd grade. So on my website is the Rocket Math video of how to practice Rocket Math at home. Thank you.